In this video, I'll show you how to connect a database to a Lovable app. Start by signing into your Lovable account and open the app you want to connect to a database. Next, open the AI assistant inside your project and describe the type of database you want to use, such as Supabase, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or another supported provider. After that, if you haven't created a database yet, create one with your preferred provider and copy the required connection details, such as the database URL, API endpoint, or credentials. Now return to Lovable and follow the prompt to connect your database. If prompted, enter your database connection details or API keys in the appropriate configuration fields or environment variables. Next, allow Lovable to generate the database connection and create the necessary data models for your application. After that, ask Lovable to create a table or collection for your app's data, such as users, products, orders, or tasks. Now generate a form that saves data to your database and a page that displays records from the database. Next, use the preview mode to add a few test records and verify that they are stored successfully. After that, refresh the page and confirm that the data is being loaded from your connected database. Finally, publish your Lovable app once you've confirmed that the database connection and data flow are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a database to a Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.